Customer also chose, again, this is the matte black. We went through on our hood inlay a few weeks ago the choices of matte or satin. Neither of them are a perfect match to your scoop. And we still prefer the matte because it serves the function of your non-glare. This is a big hood, and in the sun, it's a big glare. So this is a little bit lighter than your darker plastics and your darker piece up front. We do have a 3M control tack that is a better match to this. It's a calendared film, so I'm not a huge fan of it. It'll still be fine on the vehicle. It's just not as quality, it's not as good as our 3M wraps. All right, let's take a quick image of that. We'll move to the back.